Hello everyone. I would like to show how to use do file template. Let's go to courseware page. Then take a look at homework assignment section. This do file is to read data set, and this one is to conduct EFA, and this one is for second homework assignment. Now let's open it, and now you have to select all and copy. Now let's launch Stata. Okay, and click this icon to open do file editor. Here, let's paste. The first job is to save this do file into your folder. So click File and Save As. I'm gonna use the same folder under the download folder, and I'm gonna provide some name like my account name underscore EFA1 and click Save. Then my do file name appear here. As we did last week, we need to change something like change Stata interpreter version. Your case is 19, and you may write down your name and student ID and replace this one with your account name of your machine. I believe you now understand what the account name is. Okay. Now let's highlight this portion without log command and click on this icon to run this command. When I look at Stata, then we can find all the command executed properly. Now let's get back to do file and then highlight this one. This command is to open data. When you go to Stata, then you know that this file was loaded into Stata, and you can see the list of variable on the right. Now you are ready to run other command. Let's go to Stata do file. Here you may write any command you want, like some Q1 through Q12, and then you may highlight this command and run it, and please check Stata output. Here you get the descriptive statistic for such a variable. Now let's get back to do file. You may run a factor command like Q1 to Q12. That is what you chose. So first you need to choose right manifest variable and then provide such a variable here. Now let's run, highlight that portion and click execute command and take a look at the Stata do file. Okay, now let's get back to Stata do file and then rotate. I'm going to rotate vector and highlight that command and click on this icon to run such a command and check the Stata. Okay, rotated. So you may repeat the same job again and again until you finish homework assignment 1. Once you finish your analysis, then don't highlight anything, and then you may click this icon to run entire script. Then you can get a log file. Okay, let me click on it, and then when I click Stata, then all the Stata command in the do file were executed properly. And then this is log file that you created. Now in order to copy such the log file, let's visit our folder, download and such a survey data folder. Look, this is a log file you created right now. Then you may open it. any editor will be fine. Then look, this log file contain all the command you executed. Then again highlight entire the file and then copy. Now open the MS Word file. Once you answer question 1, question 2, blah blah blah, and then add this question file, the log file as appendix. Now paste into here. Since this is a really long file, I recommend you change format. I just highlight all the log file portion and then choose Korean New. Let's see. Korean New is here, and then font size is 8. Then it look good enough. If you want, you may highlight entire portion and then right click and then adjust paragraph and put 0 space before and after the paragraph, and this is single space. Then click on it. Then you can save space. So that's all you are expect to do in homework assignment 1 and 2. Thank you.